Oh my, okay. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what. I am having a something about Mary moment. I don't know what that is, and I'm not going to touch it. Come here and cook and use my hands. Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I don't know what my hair's doing. I don't know. Okay, let's make a Scala salad. Let's turn this chicken down. I've got 3 big ginormous chicken breasts over here in my electric skillet. But guys, I'm craving this so bad. So I'm gonna have grilled chicken and a Scala salad. Now Anthony won't eat this, so he's got some vegetables. And I know it's like Brandon's already eaten. He's in the bed for school. It's been a long day. It's been a rough day. This is so much better than the last head of lettuce I bought. It's been a wild day. I don't know, guys. It's been a little crazy. Okay, now we're trying out this new tripod. Okay. Here we go. You're going to need some iceberg lettuce. I'm only going to take like that much. I'm going to put the rest of this. Oh, and before anybody says anything about my floor, let me assure you, I am more than well aware of it. But, just to be clear, it's been like 1,000 degrees in this house. So in the morning, I'm going to try to jump up early before the sun gets going. And I'm going to try to get everything back in order. It was fine yesterday-ish. And then we had the day we've had, so that's, yeah. News for the farm. The guineas, the babies, and the baby ducks have now joined the main flock. Now the ducks, as soon as we sort out the male and the female situation on that, if we have a bunch of male ducks, then of course we'll have to, we can keep a couple of females, or however many females, and 1 male duck. But ducks have, this is going to get really serious, okay? Ducks, male ducks, have a penis that's shaped like a corkscrew. I know. Sounds wild, right? Well, I'm sure it is. But anyway, so if they get overzealous, especially a young male duck just coming into his understanding of his body, guys, iceberg lettuce, dry salami. Do not make the same mistake I made. I bought peppered salami. Horrible. I thought it would add something to it. It did not. The only thing it added to it was a burn in my lips. Okay? So, regular dried salami. I still ate it anyway because I'm a fat. Okay? So, I'm cutting this in thin strips. Okay? Just like this. You cut your salami ever how you want to. In an ideal world, I'd have chopsticks to eat this with because I think it'd be so good that way. I love eating with chopsticks. Anyways, so there's our salami. Let's throw that over in the bowl. Okay. Do we need more? No. I think that's good. Okay. We're going to go 1 can, because there's no need in splitting it up. I love garbanzo beans, chickpeas, whatever. 1 can rinsed and drained. Move! Lucy! I almost got you, girl. I don't know why in the world you want to stare under my feet. Pray hoping I'll bumble around and drop something. Okay, you want to rinse and drain, guys. Apparently that's very important. just add them to the bowl, okay? We're going to throw in, I was able to find already sliced pepperoncinis. Now, I did not put these in there the other day, and it was still delicious. So if this is something that you're just not, if you're not, I love pepperoncinis, okay? So I'm going for it, okay? But if you're not a pepperoncini fan, by all means, feel free to leave that out, okay? And the last thing we're going to add is shredded mozzarella cheese. Now, so how many ingredients we got? Lettuce, 1. Salami, 2. Chickpeas, 3. Pepper cheese, 4. Okay, 5 ingredients. 5 ingredients. Some people I saw did Parmesan instead of mozzarella, but the overwhelming majority did mozzarella. Now, here is where we are as of right now. So let's start mixing. Now, some of y'all, the reviews were mixed. It was like, oh, some people were like, oh. Some people were like, oh man, that looks good. Some people were just plain mean about it. I don't know. But I feel like this next part is where the tables turn, okay? Now, let me show y'all. Give me just a second. I want to do it in this measure because I did it the other day. So it worked out great. But I had to wash it real quick because I used it for something else earlier. Hang on. I'm coming, I promise. Hang on. Trying to get all the soapies. We don't want soapy salad. Okay. Now, this is the dressing. This is very low key. That is not. Okay, hang on. Okay. Now, we're going to put in olive oil. Now, look at me, guys. Listen to me. This is. Okay, this is just me eyeballing this, okay? Red wine vinegar. Don't get carried away. Okay? And again, this is the one time I will tell you don't get carried away with the garlic. Okay? Don't do it. I've seen somebody do this. This look good. Little pepperoncini juice. Why not, right? Then they say salt and pepper, whatever, and I say let's do Cavender's Greek seasoning, which has salt and pepper in it, amongst other delicious things. Alright. And what happened? I used this. What happened? Okay, gotcha. Alright. And like just like a tablespoon or a little bit more of Dijon mustard. Okay, we're going to take the juice of a lemon. Try to cut with the dullest knife ever. These are seedless lemons. Probably printed off in a 3D printer somewhere. But we're going to pretend like that's not a thing. Okay, the juice of a lemon. Now we're going to take a fork or a whisk or whatever. And we're going to mix it all together. It's going to make a very thin vinaigrette. Woo! I'll bust my buttons and call me mama. There we go. Now if you're serving this at, like, say, a dinner party, and everybody's going to eat this right away, you're going to want to add your dressing right now. If this is something that you're making for yourself, and you're going to leave it sitting in your refrigerator, you're going to want to hold off on that dressing, okay? I'm not holding off. I'm enjoying this tonight with a little bit of grilled chicken. Okay. Yum. Out of camera view. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Oh, yeah. All day, any day, honey. And this is the famous Scala salad. Now, I reckon if I eat enough of this, I might start looking like a Kardashian. If that was to happen, somebody come and help me. Okay, because I'm not trying to even. I'd like to be a little thinner than I am. But baby, I ain't trying to take on that appearance. Okay? And those girls are beautiful. But they were beautiful $100,000 worth of surgery ago. Alright, now let's see if this is done. Should be done. This is my chicken, which I also seasoned with the Greek seasoning and some smoked paprika. It's hot. Let's see if it's any good. Very tender. Okay. I prefer it cooked. Oh, it's done. It's very juicy though. I'm not a fan. A really juicy chicken. So, we're gonna let this cook for a little bit longer. And let's see. I gotta work this camera. Oh Lord. There we go. Hey guys. So there it is, guys. Scala salad, grilled chicken breast, and he's got some vegetables. I think it's gonna be good. I'll see you guys tomorrow, Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise, baby. I love yous. Have a good night. Be nice to everybody. Love you. Bye.